How many of you have done poster presentations? See, the objective of a poster presentation is presenting your research in as briefly as possible in front of an audience. So why is it important? That stereotype that a scientist has to be, or a clinician has to be very nerdy, sitting in a corner facing the wall, has to start sweating if somebody talks to them. That's not a good image to perpetuate. That's not how smart people are. Smart people are smart on multiple, across multiple variables, and that comes, they know their stuff, and they know how to present it as well. That's a good skill to hone. So now you'll ask me, I'm not interested in presenting you my work. Why are soft skills important? Hard skills are important, that'll tell you and your peers how efficient you are. And why are soft skills important? They're not just to make you feel good. They're not important just for the good of humanity and I want to go out and I want to teach everyone science for free. That's your personal thing.
Oh, ma'am, you're muted.
Thank you. So why are soft skills important? It's great, you want to do the, good for the greater good. You want to teach everyone science. You want to go into, high schools and teach kids about science. That's great. But I'm looking at it from a very strategic point of view, and I want you guys to look at it from a very strategic point of view as well. So soft skills are important. These help you get into universities. These help you get grants. These help you clear interviews. These help you build social and peer credibility. If you're able to communicate the right thing to the right people, that's where your next job is going to come from. That's where your next funding is going to come from. Okay, I get like 100 CVs a month. I don't look at them. That's HR. And HR, they don't have, they could be really, really specialized, but it's HR. Almost 80% of the time, people get hired if somebody knows you, if somebody trusts you, if you have a good portfolio, and if you're confident enough to come to me directly and show me your work. That's where your soft skills will come in, okay? So I really hope you guys are noting it down. I should have prepared a PPT, but I'll do that next time. So soft skills also help you with a very, very important aspect of your career, which is point number 3, the third leg of your career. It's networking.